Okay, the second part of our lesson was finding the angle measurements when you're given the ratios of each of the angles. So this is still part of lesson 3, part 2. So let's say that we have a triangle, and let's say that triangle is EFG. Now, the ratio of the angles in triangle EFG would be x, excuse me, let's say 1 to 2 to 3. Now, basically, this is telling me that angle 2 is 2 times greater than angle 1, and angle 3 is 3 times greater than angle 1. So what we're going to do is, we know that the interior angles of all triangles sum to 180 degrees. So that means all 3 angles of this EFG triangle must sum to 180 degrees. So the first angle we'll name x, and then we're going to add that to the second angle, which is 2 times the first angle. So 2 times x, x indicates the first angle, plus the third angle would be 3 times x. And we know that this angle plus this angle plus this angle must add up to 180 degrees. So now we're going to combine like terms, and we end up with 3 plus 2 plus 1 to give us 6x equals 180 degrees. We're going to divide both sides by 6 to solve for x. 6 can go into 18 3 times, and 6 goes into 0 0 times. So x equals 30. Now, we're going to take and we're going to plug 30 in for x in for each one of our angles. So the first angle was x, well, x equals 30. The second angle was 2x, so that means 2 times 30. And so that would be 60 degrees. And the third angle would be 3 times 30, because x is 30, and that's going to be 90 degrees. If we add 30 plus 60 plus 90, that gives us 180 degrees, and that makes sense. So basically that's how you would solve angles for given ratios. Now, for example, let's just say you're given the ratio of 3 to 4 to 5. Okay, so the ratio of the angles are 3 to 4 to 5. So what you would do is you would set up the problem or the equation 3x plus 4x plus 5x, and that would equal 180. You combine like terms, you solve for x, and then you plug it in. If it were 1 to 7 to 6, you would do the same thing. So 1 would be 1x plus 7x plus 6x equals 180 degrees, and that would be the equation. Solve for x, plug in the numbers, okay? Substitute in for x, and that would be it.